Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. Today I am going to discuss the process to download and installation of SQLite 3, because when you are working with Python programming, sometimes we need to connect with database, and there are 3 to 4 database which mostly use with Python. So today I am going to discuss one of them database. One is SQLite 3. So in this video I will discuss how you can download and install SQLite and how you can create table and database in that particular SQLite browser. So here firstly what you have to do, just open this site SQLite.org. When you are going to open this site, so here you can see the latest version. You can directly download from the here, but my recommendation is that click on the download section, because here there are many tabs. In download section you can get details about documentation, source code, and also here you can see pre-compiled binaries for Android. And suppose you are working in Android, then you can download from this section. If you are working in Linux, Mac and Windows, suppose I have to download for the Windows, then I will go in the Windows section, and here you can see 3 to 4 files. So just click on this file, a bundle of command line tools for managing SQLite database file. So you have to click on here. When you are going to click on here, this will be downloaded automatically. Okay, so here you can see your file is already downloaded, and now what you have to do, just create a folder in C and just name the folder as SQLite. Okay, and now copy the downloaded file in this folder. Okay, you can directly extract here, there is no issue, but this is a standard process. So just copy and paste the file here. Now extract this file. When you are going to extract, here you can see you will get 3 files. Okay, open here sqldiff.exe, no something. Now you have to double click on this file SQLite 3, just double click. When you are going to click, then a prompt window will be open, and just type .help only for testing purpose. So I have typed .help, so you can see there are many command, and by using this command you can execute many program and other operation, and just press quit. So this will be closed. So this is process of SQLite download and installation. Now this is not sufficient when you are going to work with Python, because sometimes we need to write some query, also create database and table. So this is not going to happen in this. So for this we need SQLite tool. Okay, so suppose you need for Windows, when you are going to type in Google SQLite tool for Windows, so here you can get many option. Okay, so you can select any option, but I have chosen this SQLite Studio. When you are going to click on this, so a page will be open like this. Now what you have to do, press here and you can download. Okay, and again what you have to do, just copy the downloaded file and paste into C folder, and this is not a big file, this is only file of 27 or 28 MB. Here you can see that it will take only hardly 5 to 10 seconds to download, and there is no time in installation. So just wait. Okay, so your file is downloaded. Just okay, just okay, here your file is downloaded. Just copy. No, sorry, this is wrong file I have taken. Just let me check. This one is file. Okay. So, just copy and this file, paste in that folder. Okay. Here pasted, and this is also zip file. So, just extract here. Okay, your file is extracted. Click on this and just move towards, and here you can see SQLite Studio. So, click on this, and also you can create a shortcut if you want to use frequently. So, firstly just open this file. So, here you can see this is open, and actually why you are getting here, because I have already installed. So, let me delete all the things. So, basically when you double click, you will get a option to install this file. So, only you have to accept agreement and then just proceed, your file will be installed. Why we are getting this type symbol? Because I have already installed for testing purpose, that is why you are getting. So, please ignore that, and now let me tell you how you can write. Okay. When you are going to open this, open. So, you will get this type of user interface. So, here you can click on the database. If you want to create a database, so just write name of the database here. Suppose I have written the knowledge Adda, and just press OK. Your database is created. Okay. And here see many options. If you want to open a SQL editor, so you can click on here, your SQL editor will be open. Here you have to select database, just okay. So, here the option edit the database, remove the database. Firstly, after creating the database, you have to press on this button, connect to database. So, your database is connected here, and only here now you have to write syntax for creating table. Suppose create table, and here you have press table name. So, suppose I have taken create table, and this is table name, and you have to give ID integer and make it primary key. Actually, I am not sure about syntax, so maybe that can be wrong. Now, after writing this syntax, just press on here. So, here your query is finished. Now, in this you can check your okay. So, here you can see a test table is created, that table is test name. So, this is process, and here also you can see the how many column that table contains. So, this is process how you can download and install and how you can work. So, in next video I am going to tell you how you can connect this database to the Python programming or to Python interface. So, thank you for watching this. Thank you.